Hello everyone, I'm Vijay here from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our student got placed, so she'll share her experience.
Hello, my name is Ananya. I'm from Shimoga. I have completed my BE in Computer Science at CSE College of Engineering and Management, Mangalore. I joined PySpiders to improve my skills. Here, after I joined joined on December, first I took SQL class, which is conducted by Murli sir. It was actually really nice. His teaching skills are very good. So that my SQL class was took by Murli sir. It was actually really nice. His teaching skills made me to learn learn quickly. After that, Python class started in the month of December, which was took by Vijay sir. Even his teaching skills are really good. The real-time examples and teachings, like his interaction with the students are really good.
Congratulations and all the best.
Thank you.